this is Selina. Welcome back to one of my videos. I hope you're well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Selina and I release crochet tutorials on my channel. So in this tutorial, I will be showing you how to crochet this really feminine and delicate ribbon. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial. So for this project I used Drops Muscat yarn, and so this is 100% mercerized cotton yarn, and this yarn is considered a light 3 DK weight yarn, and I used color 02. And so I also used a 4mm crochet hook, a tapestry needle, and a pair of scissors, and that's all you will be needing for this simple tutorial. I will be speaking in US terms with British terms in brackets, and as always the free pattern is available on my blog selinaveronique.com. The link will be in the description box, and I will also be linking all of the materials used. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. That really helps out my channel. And don't forget to check out my Patreon page. The link is in the description box. So to begin this tutorial, you will be making a slip knot. So just go ahead and make a slip knot. Pop your 4mm crochet hook through your slip knot like so, and now you will be chaining 200. So that's 200 chains. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now that you've chained 200, as you can see, that is quite a long chain, but that's going to create our ribbon. So now you are going to be counting 1 and 2 chains from the hook. Let me zoom in a teeny bit. So count 1 and 2 chains from the hook, and what you are going to be doing now is placing your hook directly through that second chain and slip stitch. So 2 slip stitch, pull your yarn through that first loop and then just pull it through the second loop, and that creates your first slip stitch. Now go into the next chain and once again slip stitch like so, and just go into the next chain and slip stitch, and just slip stitch through each and every chain across until you reach the end of the chain, and then I'll get back to you. Okay, so as you can see, I've gone all the way across the whole chain. And so now it's very easy to finish off this project. Just snip off your yarn, leaving a long tail for sewing, and you are going to be pulling this yarn through the last loop on your hook to close. So pull tight but gently, and now this is what I have. And what I am going to be doing to finish off this project is to sew in my loose ends with my tapestry needle through, and I'm just going to sew this in. I actually have a full length video on how to sew in your loose ends. I will be linking that in the description box, but just go in and out very simply. Obviously this is a very narrow project, so just go in and out of the project with your tapestry needle gently, making sure you don't disrupt any of your stitches, and just sew this in quite well. I'm gonna go in and out quite a few times, and I'll let you do this. Okay, so I finished my ribbon. I hope you enjoyed this simple tutorial. I will be using this in my hair and possibly making some for my different crochet projects. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.